हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू स्टोरी अंडरलाइन। आज हम ईरानियन एंड मैकेडोनियन इन्वेजन की बात करेंगे। नॉर्थ ईस्ट प्रिंसिपैलिटीज ग्रेजुअली मर्ज बट नॉट नॉर्थ वेस्ट फ्रंटियर। ईरानियन इन्वेजन जिसमें सबसे पहले इन्वेड किया साइरस ने ड्यूरिंग 558 to 530 BC. They were Persians. Cyrus is considered greatest conqueror of Achaemenian Empire. He was first to enter India and captured Gandhara region. All India tribes of West submitted and paid tribute to him. Second आया Darius I जिसका टाइम पीरियड था 522 to 486 BC. He was grandson of Cyrus. He conquered Indus in 518 BC and added Punjab and Sindh to his 20th satrapi. Total थे 28. Xerxes जिसका टाइम पीरियड था 465 to 456 BC. He succeeded Darius I and employed Indians in long war against Greeks. इंपॉर्टेंट है, आप जरूर याद रखें। Xerxes employed Indians in long war against the Greeks. It appears that India continued to be part of Iranian Empire till its invasion by Alexander. Effects की बात करें तो Iranian invasion gave impetus to Indo-Iranian trade and commerce. Kharoshti script flourished during this period, which is Iranian writing, which became popular in northwest India. Thus, Ashokan edicts of 3rd century BC was written in this form, that is Kharoshti script. Monuments की बात करें so Ashoka's bell-shaped capital and preamble of Ashoka's edict were influenced by Iran. The Iranian invasion prepared the ground for Alexander's invasion. In short, Iranian connection proved much more fruitful than short-lived Indo-Macedonian contact. Next हम बात करते हैं Alexander's invasion जो हुआ था 326 to 325 BC. Alexander was Greek. During 4th century BC, Greek finally destroyed Iranian power and captured Asia Minor, Iraq and Iran. Asia Minor, Iraq and Iran. Alexander's passion for geographical inquiry and natural history led to conquest of India. He was inspired by mythical exploits of past conquerors whom he wanted to surpass. He was attracted to wealth of India. Herodotus is considered father of history. Dhananand of Nanda dynasty was ruling over Magad during Alexander's invasion. Invasion के टाइम पे political conditions in northwest India की बात करें so number of small kingdoms in northwest India existed. Leading kings जैसे Ambi who was prince of Takshila who readily submitted to Alexander. Next आया Porus who was situated between Jhelum and Chenab. He was first and the strongest to resist Alexander. Alexander entered India through Khyber Pass और आप स्वात वैली भी याद रखें, स्वात वैली. Northwest India remained most disunited part and rulers were fighting from one another. Battle of Hydas Pass हुआ between Porus and Alexander. Battle of Hydas Pass जो हुआ था 326 BC में. From Ambi, that is prince of Takshila, Alexander sent message to Porus to submit, which he readily refused. Porus readily refused. Alexander marched from Takshila to banks of river Hydas Pass or Jhelum, which was flooded during that time. And few days later, war was fought on the plains of Karri and Porus lost. Impressed by courage and heroism of Porus, Alexander treated him generously and reinstated him to his throne. बात करते हैं Alexander's invasion के कुछ effects की और Greek invasion effects की. It was first occasion when ancient Europe came into close contact with ancient Indians, that is India-Greece direct contact. It opened up 4 different routes by land and sea, increasing trade and commerce. More Greek settlements in northwest India, याद रखें, more Greek settlement in northwest India. Alexander's historians left so many valuable geographical accounts and clearly dated records, which helps building chronology of India. The invasion destroyed small states, which paved the way for expansion of Mauryaans. Alexander sent new fleet under Nearchus to explore coast and search for harbors from mouth of Indus to Euphrates. याद रखें, important है बहुत. Alexander sent new fleet under Nearchus to explore coast and search for harbors from mouth of Indus to Euphrates. Mouth of Indus to Euphrates. Why Alexander returned? The soldiers were war weary, disease stricken and homesick. Hot climate of India didn't suited them. India's war superiority, formidable power of the Nanda dynasty. हमने पहले भी देखा है. They were scared of Nanda dynasty because Nanda dynasty was most powerful dynasty. While returning, Alexander divided territorial possessions into 3 parts under Greek governors एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट अंडर सेल्यूकस निकेटर। सो हमने दो नाम देखे, एक तो नियार्चिस एंड दूसरा सेल्यूकस निकेटर। दे रिमेन्ड इन इंडिया फॉर 19 months. Alexander and his soldiers remained in India for 19 months. So we have covered Iranian and Macedonian invasion. हमने देखा Iranian invasion में साइरस, डेरियस और जर्सिस, उसके कुछ इफेक्ट्स देखे, जैसे खारोस्ती स्क्रिप्ट फ्लरिश हुआ, मॉन्यूमेंट्स कुछ देखे, और ये इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि इरानियन इन्वेजन proved to be much more fruitful than short-lived Macedonian invasion. नेक्स्ट फिर हमने देखा अलेक्जेंडर इन्वेजन, उसके कुछ इफेक्ट। इन्वेजन हुआ जिसके दो लीडिंग किंग्स थे, अम्बी प्रिंस ऑफ तक्षशिला एंड पोरस बिटवीन झेलम एंड चिनाब। बैटल ऑफ हायदास पास हुआ इन 326 BC जिसमें पोरस लॉस्ट। वाई रिटर्न हमने देख लिया। दे रिमेन इन इंडिया फॉर 19 months. Northwest was under Seleucus Nicator and he sent new fleet under Nearchus to explore coast and search for harbors from mouth of Indus to Euphrates. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो होगा मौर्यंस के ऊपर। See you in the next. Thank you.